Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel your ITVX subscription. Now if you want to cancel the ITVX subscription but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the end to know about it. So now to cancel your ITVX subscription, you need to simply follow the steps on the video. Now if you're using from your desktop or your PC, then you need to go on ITVX on browser and you need to select the account setting, or you need to select the option of subscription. After that you need to click on the option of cancel subscription. But if you are using it from your device, then you need to simply open ITVX app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after that you need to click on the profile icon at the very bottom right of the menu. So currently I'm not signed in, so if you are signed in, then you will see the option of settings, account settings or subscription. So there you need to click on the option of account settings or subscription, and after that you need to click on the option of cancel subscription and you need to confirm the cancellation. So you may also cancel from App Store if you're using from your iPhone device. So you need to go on the option of App Store and you need to click on your name and you need to click on the option of subscription, and there you need to find the ITVX and you need to tap on it and you need to click on the option of cancel subscription. So that's it. That's how you can cancel a subscription on ITVX. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.